Beautiful, all the grapes. I know there's clouds up there, but they won't bother us. And it's awfully warm, 28 degrees, but no wind, so I can feel that sun really prickling on my skin. We're going on a chateau tour up there in them there hills. There are some chateaus there, a lot of winemakery here. It's the Alsace. It's where the beautiful white wines come from. And we're just going to go for a drive. I know we could go for a walk, we might, but we're certainly going to stay in the car with the air conditioning on at the moment, and have a look. Now there's a big city just over there, and that's Colmar, and we might visit that tomorrow. Off we go, up there. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Overlooking the village of Husseren-les-Châteaux are three castle ruins which stand in close proximity to each other. They're called Dagsburg, Wallenburg and Wegmund, and they are locally known as Les Trois Châteaux. Although the ruins can be reached by car, they are a popular hiking destination. Oh, it might only have been 5 minutes, but it was 5 minutes pure uphill. But the reward is worth it. Look at that. A few rickety stairs, but they've been around a while, so they'll do me. And up I go. All those stones will need to go here. They're doing a huge renovation job. Wow. And this has been redone, you can tell. But wow, how amazing and what a dedication. Beautiful, what a view, what a view. Just see if you can count how many floors there was, how many in this tower. That's huge, isn't it? Personally, I think I counted 5, but you never know. It's just gorgeous here. It's just massive and obviously very historical, and very warm. Water's running down my cheeks and my back. I keep saying, oh wow, oh wow. This is just amazing. Here we are on the other, look at how thick those walls are. My goodness. Oh, look, you can tell the levels here too. Amazing. Just amazing. That's a stunning view. And indeed we drove up that squiggly road. The Château du Hohlandsbourg is a ruined castle in the commune of Winsenheim near Colmar, in the department of the Haut-Rhin, or the High Rhine. It is open to the public between Easter and the 11th of November, and we just thought we'd go and have a look. Well, here we are, visiting this beautiful, restored and in use castle. And we're way up high, and it was a steep climb again. The construction of the castle, by order of the Provost of Colmar, Siegfried de Gundelsheim, dates from 1279. The site, 620 metres above sea level, allowed for the surveillance of Colmar and its region. In 1281, the townspeople of Colmar revolted and set fire to the castle with the help of bailiff Otten Ochtenstein. With the Alsace becoming French at the end of the 30 Years' War, the castle welcomed troops who blew it up in 1637 to prevent it into falling in the hands of the Austrian army. It has been listed since 1840 as a monument of historic value by the French Ministry of Culture. The castle was restored during the 1990s to become a cultural and historic centre. The Colmar Vineyards lies in a landscape of plains, mountains and vineyards. Every enchanting view worthy of a picture postcard. Well, I can attest to that. Built at an altitude of 2,000 feet, the castle, with the surrounding wall varying in height from 26 feet to 46 feet, has a 360-degree view of its surroundings. And what a beautiful surroundings. From the walkway on the west curtain wall can be seen to Munster Valley and the neighbouring summit of the Vosges from left to right. Built against and out of a rock face. Well, what a beautiful, well, ruins, but still it almost feels like it's not a castle. Now we've walked quite a way to get here from the car park. It's steep uphill. We are up quite high, something like 2,000 feet or something. So is that 600 metres? Whatever. Anyway, whatever it is, it's high and it's very hot. Even though there's clouds, there's barely a breeze. And as of the 1st of September, they close the cafeteria and restaurant amenities here, thinking the season's finished. Well, there are a lot of people walking around here and, you know, they could have kept it open for a while longer. So I'm going to go walk down the stairs now and go and sit in the shade. All along the wall are these bits of information. Very interesting read. I'm getting hotter by the minute, and yes, I forgot my sun hat. How amazing to be walking between these walls on this narrow pathway on the top of this castle. Next stop, the small town of Munster. Enjoy the photo shoot. It was getting quite late in the afternoon and we were rather peckish. Having not been to Munster for many years, we thought we'd reacquaint ourselves with the town. Our memories were really pleasant. The presence of the stork here is still evident, although we were quite surprised at the deserted numbers of unkept, unused nests, showing signs that all may not be well with the stork population here compared to 20 years ago. Munster is located in the valley of the River Vecht, about 15 kilometres west of Colmar. We had a lovely afternoon tea at Le Husseren, a small and cosy boulangerie. The owner was a super sweet hostess. The cheesecake was delicious, as was Lane's coffee and my smoothie. It was extremely quiet in town, not the hustle and bustle we recalled. I remember a wine and cheese tasting session we experienced here, returning to our caravan to stash away our purchases. I had to store the cheese outside under the caravan due to the strength of its odour. The site of a 7th century abbey or monastery gave the name to this place, and it's famous for its cheese. Minschterkaas, as it's known, is a soft cheese with a strong taste and aroma. It is made mainly from milk first produced in the Vosges between the Alsace-Lorraine and the Franche-Comté. The cheese was conserved and matured in the cellars of the abbeys and monasteries in the region, hence the name Munster cheese. We had a lovely stroll around town. It did look a bit worn, should I say, for some reason, or maybe the summer months it would be a bit more lively. I also missed the flowers, but what I did see at the end as we left town, another tribute was to the stork, where these feathers were used to pretty up the window sills on the outside of a building. I hope you enjoyed the video and would like to pay a visit to this area. I'll tell you what, you won't be disappointed. It is just so beautiful. Right, I'd love a thumbs up, I'd love a comment, and even more, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. So, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.